Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. ClickDesigns, we're going to have so much fun today because I have a huge announcement for you. It's going to be so cool. Who doesn't love challenges? That's what we're going to be talking about today for you, the Click Designer community. So be ready for that. As we welcome people into this live session, I just want to say thank you so much for being here, part of the group. I love seeing all of your inspiration put into the Facebook group that you guys are adding to share what you're doing with ClickDesigns, and it's been great. We have been plugging away here every single Monday for a very long time, and thank you for being accommodating for the new time that we now have every single week. And guess what? Today we're going to be talking about AI Image Challenge. Yes, it's going to be an AI image, and we're going to put in there creative challenge because we want you guys to be creative in creating your AI images. Guess what? Using ClickDesigns. Yes, inside of ClickDesigns. Now, if you don't have that feature, you can upgrade to the AI portion. But for those who have it, we're going to be launching a really fun challenge for the next several weeks. We're going to have some prizes for you. We're going to have some fun time over this whole challenge because you're going to be able to showcase your ability to create some really cool images using ClickDesigns. So I'm going to go through what that is, what the challenge is going to be about, how you can get involved, and then I'm going to jump into the AI image software in ClickDesigns. I'm going to show you some of the creations that we can create here today, and I'm excited. So I hope that I can inspire you to join us as we go to the AI image creative challenge, because if you participate, you're going to, one, get posted on and featured on the ClickDesigns wall, but you're also going to earn some prizes. So let's get started. I'm going to jump into the software. I'm going to jump into some slides. I'm going to show you some of the things about this cool challenge that you can be a part of, and then I will close this out. All right, let's jump in. Before I jump into the software, and I just want to go through the AI image challenge in detail so that you know what to expect, how to participate, and how to get started. So the AI image challenge, or you can call it the AI creative image challenge, or you can call it the AI image fun challenge, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be really fun. So we're inviting all ClickDesigns users to get creative and have fun with ClickDesigns AI image. This challenge is your chance to show off your skills and try out cool new things with technology and art, all within ClickDesigns. Now, let me move on to how to participate. And you want to use ClickDesigns text-to-image feature to create your AI image based on the theme of your choice. Now, if you don't have this inside of your ClickDesigns dashboard, then you can upgrade. There should be a link below, or someone from the team will drop that link. But there is this really neat feature, and I've used it many times, where you can type in a text prompt and it creates images for you. It's pretty neat, pretty easy to use, and fun. The theme is open-ended, so let your imagination run wild, whether you want to design a movie poster, a children's book, or anything in between. Feel free to include text and elements in your designs. Show us what you can do. Post your design in the group, in the ClickDesigns Facebook official group, with a short description explaining your creation and the prompt that you used. Include the hashtag ClickDesigns AI Challenge in your post so we can easily find your entry. What they'll do is, when this ends, and we'll give you those dates in a minute, they're going to search the group with the hashtag ClickDesigns AI Challenge, and all of those will become the entries. So it's a very important piece here. You want to make sure you write that down or take a screenshot. Feel free to showcase your designs by sharing your creations on your social media channels as well. Don't forget to tag ClickDesigns. Use the hashtags ClickDesigns, I love ClickDesigns, ClickDesigns AI Challenge for a chance to be featured in our social media channels and newsletters. So when is this? Well, we're going to kick this off today. In fact, Monday, May 20th, 2024. It's going to last for 3 weeks. And I'll prompt you guys every Monday until then to kind of, hey, don't forget to go back and watch the AI challenge information so you can participate. And it will run until Monday, June 10th, 2024. That's 3 weeks. So that'll be the deadline. We're going to kind of end that. You get all of your entries in, and you can potentially earn a reward. Yes, the top 3 most creative and impactful designs will be selected as the winners by a panel of judges. The winners will win credits that can be used for purchasing any ClickDesigns product or subscription, which is pretty exciting. And let me tell you, there's a lot that you could upgrade to, or you can add on to your ClickDesigns features. The exclusive recognition spotlight in our community newsletter and social media channels. So all participants, I should say, will receive a $20 discount code for future purchases on ClickDesigns products and services. So that's pretty cool. So every single person who participates in this AI image challenge is going to win $20 discount code. That's pretty cool. Now, what do the winners get? Well, they get credits. You can use that for purchasing any ClickDesigns product or subscription. So first place, you're going to get $150 in credits. It's like a gift certificate, right? Second place, 120 credits. Third place, $100 in credits. Now, what does that mean? It means that if you want to upgrade to something that you don't have in ClickDesigns or something that's coming in the future, then you can use that $150 in credits, or 120 or 100, or the $20 if you're participating and you did not place. Then you can use that at checkout whenever you purchase something with that code they're going to give you. It's pretty neat. I think that's a great incentive, because guess what? We know if you're using ClickDesigns, if you're participating in this challenge, it means that you must love it, just like I do, and you'll probably want all the features that you can get your hands on. So let's keep going to guidelines. I'm going to go through these because we want to make sure this is fair. We want to make sure that you understand the criteria, and there are things to think about. So 1, your design must be original and created using ClickDesigns. You could not use something else outside, like Midjourney or DALL-E or ChatGTP or, Ideology or whatever, Ideogram, I think it's called. But whatever you use, you have to use ClickDesigns. It's very important. And we're going to be able to tell if you try to slip one in, okay? And you definitely don't want to not follow the rules and get banned from the group for life or something like that, right? I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's just something to consider when you're trying to cheat in these challenges. So be fair, we trust you, and we know that you're going to use ClickDesigns for that. Keep your image appropriate for all ages and audiences. I'm sure you can understand what that means. Keep it, PG rated. You can submit multiple entries throughout the entire contest duration. To prevent our group from being flagged as spam, please limit your submissions to a maximum of 3 entries per day. Now, if you think about that, let's see, we have 3 weeks times 7 days. That's 21 days total, right? Times 3 is 63 submissions. That's a lot of submissions. Now, obviously make sure that they're all looking good and that they are challenge worthy, but you want to make sure that you can only do 3 a day. By participating in this challenge, you agree to let us showcase your design on our website, which means ClickDesigns website and ClickDesigns social media platforms, with the proper credit to you. Now that's pretty cool. So understand the guidelines, make sure you're following the rules, and it'll be perfect. Now, what are the judging mechanics? Well, these are the criteria. We have 4 different areas that they're going to be basing their decisions on. 1 is creativity, adherence to chosen theme, technical skill, and overall impact. So let me go through these one by one. Creativity is 40%. The extent to which the design demonstrates originality, innovation, and artistic expression. Number 2 is adherence to chosen theme. That's 20%. How effectively the design reflects and interprets the theme chosen by the participant, showcasing a clear connection between the artwork and the selected theme. Now, you might get hung up on this and thinking, what is a theme? I would beg you to go and Google, hey, image theme, right? Like, what are popular image themes I could create an AI image around, right? So go and find that. It could be for children. It could be for outer space. It could be for your niche, right? It could be fitness. So whatever you want. I know I've created a bunch of authors, author images using the AI in ClickDesigns. And so just pick a theme that kind of speaks to you, or maybe the theme will pick you. That happens a lot. You write a prompt in, you're not sure where it's going to go, and then it just kind of picks you. Technical skill, 20%. The proficiency in utilizing AI design tools to create visually appealing and well-executed design, including composition, color, and element. Taking a drink. Okay, overall impact, 20%. The overall impression and effectiveness of the design in capturing attention, evoking emotions, and leaving a lasting impression on the viewer. Now, I'm very visual, right? Like, you guys know I love visual, appealing design. So that's going to be something that's going to just pop off the page when they see your design and go, wow, that one is really good. So think about that. Judging mechanics scoring. Each criterion will be scored on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest. The total score for each entry will be calculated by summing up the scores for all criteria. So, scale of 1 to 10, the judging mechanics judging process is a panel of judges will independently review and evaluate each entry based on the criteria outlined above. Judges will assign scores to each criterion for every entry. Once all entries have been scored, the judges will convene to discuss and compare their evaluations to ensure fairness and consistency in the scoring process. The scores for all of the entries will be tallied, and the top 3 entries with the highest total scores will be declared as the winners. In the event of a tie, the judges may revisit the tied entries for further assessment and deliberation to determine the final winner in that specific spot. Note that judges' decisions are final and not subject to appeal. So they're going pretty deep here, right? The ClickDesigns team is taking this seriously. They're putting this in together for you, and they want to make it fair. They want to give every single person an opportunity to obtain some credits, which is awesome. And the 3 top winners are going to get prizes. So just understand that these judges want to make sure that you understand what this challenge is about, how you can participate, and how you can get the most out of it too, based on fairness, right? Announcement of winners. The top 3 winners of the ClickDesigns AI Image Challenge will be announced on June 17th, 2024 during my training, Angie Norris' training session, and will be posted in the Facebook group after. So what does that mean? So we're going to have 3 weeks from today to get your entries in. Then a whole week's going to go, and the panel of judges will be judging all of your images. And then on June 17th, when I go live like this, I will be announcing the winners. That's 4 weeks from today. Ooh, how exciting. That's 1 month. Okay. So I'm going to close out these slides so that you can see that. Then we're going to jump into the editor with the time left and create some AI images. So let's go. Let's see what amazing AI images our community can create together. We can't wait to be inspired by your designs, and this challenge will not only be fun to look at, but will also be of help to beginners, meaning it's going to help you get going with the AI portion of ClickDesigns and enhance everyone's knowledge of the capabilities of AI. And obviously we know with the advent of AI, the person who will be enhancing or embracing or using AI, learning AI, participating in AI, will be the ones who get the more marketability with themselves over the person who is afraid of AI. Let me say that one more time. I have been going out spreading the word about AI. I've been speaking on stages. I went to Vegas 4 times now to speak about AI. And let me tell you, there are lots of jobs going to be replaced by AI, and there's going to be a lot of jobs that are created with AI, and the person who actually uses AI will get the job over the person who doesn't. So this is a great way to get yourself into the AI game. So I hope that was clear for you. You can reference this, go back, and you can see the criteria, pause the video, write down what you need, and you're going to be able to really have a lot of fun on this. I can't wait to see your creations. I'm going to be tracking in the Facebook group week by week, and I might even pull some up the next 3 weeks. I think I might do that. How about that? If you guys start to build some AI images this week, next week I will pull some of those into my slide deck and show you guys before training begins, and then we'll keep doing that week by week. That'll be fun. All right, let's jump into the software with the time that we have left. I think we've about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'm going to create some AI images for you. Inside my ClickDesigns demo account, I want to show you a couple things. The first thing is on the top bar, you're going to see AI images. Now, I love starting with this to give you some inspiration about AI. So let me click on this. And let me just note that for the purposes of the challenge, you cannot submit any of these that are already created, but these can give you inspiration. So when you look at this, that's pretty cool. I mean, look at that one. That one just looks amazing. So if you click on preview, yeah, I mean, it looks so real. I really am impressed by a lot of these AI images. Now, you keep going, you're going to keep seeing different ones for different themes. Here's a great children's book theme, right? Now, you can edit this image, right? But not for the purpose of this challenge. I want to remind you guys, like, this is just for inspiration. You cannot use anything that's already been created for this challenge. They're gonna know, because guess what? Most of these were created by the ClickDesigns team, and there's a whole team of people and designers, and the head designer is going to be making sure that you guys are following the rules. But I mean, these are all they just look great. So just imagine creating any of these for your stuff. Look at that comic book one. That's pretty cool. And you can see kind of the prompt, right? Here's the prompt that people are using. So let's click on one. I just want to kind of see, oh, this one's really cool. So pets, dogs, puppy, animals, shepherd. So you can download the image to just save it if you're going to use it. Obviously, you want to make sure you source the ClickDesigns team, but oh, that one's funny. So you get the idea of some of these to give you inspiration. Now, if you want to go ahead, you can generate a new AI image by clicking this button right here, or from inside your ClickDesigns editor. I'm going to go ahead and click this right now, and you'll see it pop up. Now, this is how you create it from scratch for this challenge. So you're going to see on the left, you can search right here, and it'll bring stuff up, but you're going to click on AI Model 1 or AI Model 2. And these are just enhancements. So the first one, and then they've improved it, and they've kept it simple. So it really is up to you what you want to use. I'm just going to use this one for now. So what you can add is something in here as a prompt. So maybe I want to say, I'm not even sure, I'm just kind of making this up. You may want to even use ChatGPT to kind of come up with some prompts, or you want to go and get some prompts from other people. There are lots of prompts out there, but I'm just going to write one off the cuff. I'm going to say Space Odyssey with a spaceship. Not astronaut, let's see, spaceship, planets, cool, vibrant colors. I'm just going to start with that. We can keep adding to it, which is what I love about ClickDesigns the most, is that you can just keep adding to this, seeing what comes up. Now, I'm going to leave that the way it is, the negative words. I'm going to click on 4 variations to give me the most bang for my click here. And just remember that these do charge AI credits. So if you have credits in your account, then you'll be able to, one variation might be 1 credit. I'm not sure exactly how they do it, but just know that it does charge credits. And then down here, I'm going to put fantasy art under choose a style. View more. There's lots of them. Look at this. There's anime. Okay, these are so cool. So no style, photographic, cinematic, digital art, fantasy art, line art, 3D, analog film, anime, comic book, isometric, low poly, neon pink, origami, and pixel art. That's pretty cool. I'm going to click on neon punk just to see what happens. I'll click on square and click generate image. And there you have it. Wow. Can I just say wow? Can you guys say wow? Look at this one. I love this one. I'm going to click on create design. And it's going to pull it into your editor, and now you can add words. I am in love with this one. That is pretty cool. And you know what? These match my colors, so I'm going to be using the neon pink a lot more. But that's pretty cool, right? So we can go ahead and save that. And I can write up here, maybe AI challenge entry 1, right? So we can go ahead and click save. And then we can go and add some words. So maybe we want to go to this text. And look, there's an open text AI writer that you can use. And we can say headline for a space odyssey spaceship. What is that? What would we say? The digital art photo or poster. How about that? And then keywords, space, spaceship, and future. And maybe we want it to be about unlocking the power of AI. Let's see. Generate AI text. Look at that. So you can copy this out and say maybe I just want it to be embark on, I like embark, right? So let me go to text, add text layer, and let's make this white for now. And we're going to say embark on your journey, the journey of AI. How about that? Just something kind of simple. Now, I would probably, I'm not a copywriter, never have been, but something like that. Now we can go down and look for some kind of a futuristic type of, yeah, that looks pretty good. So the background, I'm going to add a background of black. And then make this as, we can put that on the bottom or the top. I think I'm just going to keep it on the top and make it as big as I can. How about like that? Center. Okay. Pretty good, right? Okay, so you would have that, you could save that, and then upload it as your different challenge entries, right? Okay, so what if we want to start over? So we're going to go ahead and click on exit. Now let me show you how to start from scratch. So if you're on your dashboard right here, what you want to do is click on start from scratch. So go ahead and click start from scratch. And then we're just going to use blank canvas, continue, where I kind of move my mouse out. Okay, let's do 1,000 by 1,000. There's no dimensions. You guys can create whatever size you want. All right, so from in here now, we can go on the bottom left of this menu bar. So on the left side, you go all the way down and click on AI Image. That's going to bring back that panel. So this is, I'm showing you another way to create images inside of here. So you can click on Model 1, which we did, or Model 2. I'm going to start with Model 2 this time. And you'll see that's a little bit different, but yet similar. So you have the same kind of things. I'm going to click on anime this time. I don't know, I'm kind of interested what this would look like, but let's see if we can do K-pop band with a singing on a stage with a ton of fans waving their hands. I have no idea what I just wrote. My nieces are into K-pop, so let's just see what comes up. I'm going to click on anime, click on square, and just go ahead and generate image. All right, I'm going to click on this to see. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Is that not cool? That is exactly what I was thinking in my head. Anime. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's cool. And if I wanted to, I could add some elements. So if I wanted to make this color a little bit more my colors, right, I can add this, go down to here to gradient, and then add in my colors. I do this a lot to make things kind of my own, like that. And then you just, oops. Let's just click the opacity like this. So see how it's adding my colors? So here's none, and then here's if I want to kind of make it my own like that. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. I'm pretty impressed. I tried to buy some K-pop tickets for my nieces once, and boy, are they expensive. But that's pretty cool, right? So you can click on save. And the theme of this is obviously K-pop. And so what you want to do is you're going to make sure you include your prompts. So let me show you how to get to your prompts. So you'll click on AI Image. You're going to click on this one. And, oops, I didn't do that. Sorry. Go ahead and click on AI Image. Go down. So this is the one that is right here. And click on Edit Description. You're going to go up, and here is the prompt. So you're going to want to include the prompt in your submissions. So you can go back here and do that. If you submit something like this in your post, you'll put prompt, like this. And then you can go to Facebook and add your prompt. Okay, so that's how you do that. I'm going to click on save. And I think we're right at the top of the hour, but let me just do one more I'm just going to squeeze it in. So we click on blank canvas, continue, 1,000. All right. So again, how do you do this? You want to go to the left menu bar, go all the way down to AI Image. You're going to click one of these models. So I'm just going to click on A2 again. And then you will create a prompt. So if I wanted to create some prompt, my friend's a yoga instructor. So how about yoga instructor teaching a class? She the yoga instructor is female with dark hair. Okay, I'm just gonna see if that happens. I'm gonna click on photographic this time and click on wide image, generate. All right, I'm gonna click this, and that is a pretty good image, right? It's okay. My friend actually is full Korean. This lady looks more Japanese, but you get it, right? She's teaching this. So let me go back to AI image editor. Oops, I'm gonna click, sorry. Oh yeah, you guys can also use these too to enhance your AI images. So you can remove the background, face cutout, blur background, image enhancer, photo colorizer, color correction, tune eyes, remove objects. You know, there's tons of things you can do in addition to just using the AI image creator. You can actually click AI image editor and do even more things as well. You can add filters and do a lot. So we're going to click on this again, go to image, click on this, and click on edit description. And let's create yoga and start teaching a class in a park full of grass and trees. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Okay, ooh, this is exactly what was in my mind. Okay, let me delete this one. That's pretty cool. This looks exactly like my friend, actually. So, how cool is that? And you can add some words, maybe let's get your Zen on. I don't know. I'm not very good about knowing what to write. I'm not a copywriter, but you could just write whatever you want and add it to the bottom here, right? Or maybe I want to put kimwinyoga.com, something like that, right? I can put her domain name, and we can change the font to something a little more, maybe very, let's see, keep going like that, right? Pretty cool. Click save. So you get the idea. And I know we're over, so I'm going to go ahead and close this out. But I hope that this helped you understand the power of creating AI images. I hope you guys participate in the AI challenge. Let me close us out. All right. What did you think? You guys think you're going to be involved and participate in the AI Creative Image Challenge? I think you should. I think that every person that's watching this needs to say, yes, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go create some, because it's really not that difficult. ClickDesigns makes it super easy so that you can create your own images using AI with ClickDesigns. I know I can't wait to see what you guys create. So be sure to follow the rules. We're going to be also giving some instructions into the group, so you're going to see some emails going out about this challenge, and you're going to be able to participate, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope that you guys do submit so that we can hopefully give you some really cool prizes. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope that was cool. I hope I inspired you by creating some of those AI images that you saw today, but I can't wait to see what you guys create and see who our big winners are going to be. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Angie Norris. I am a fellow power user of ClickDesigns, just like you guys, and I love sharing with you guys what I'm using ClickDesigns for week by week by week, and we've been doing this for several weeks now. If you guys have any ideas of what you want to hear about, what you want to talk about, what you want me to feature here, please let me know, because I'm always looking for ideas to list out on the roadmap of future episodes. So thanks for being here again. I can't wait to see you guys participate. If you plan on participating, please drop some comments in the Facebook group saying, yep, I'm going to call my shot. I'm going to win this thing, and I'm going to make some really cool images. Can't wait to see them. All right, guys, have a great rest of your week. Have an even better weekend. And guess what? Memorial Day weekend is next week, and I will see